Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe Z06 3LZ in Laguna Blue on Twilight Blue and black leather interior. So I'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle, let you have a look at the trunk area. So here it is on the Z06. It's got the upgraded Z06 mat with the logo there. We've got the cargo netting here to hold your items in place. In the corner here you do have storage. There's also a Corvette car cover or car charger down there, so that's great. So I'll go ahead, I'll close the lid here. It does have soft close, so I'll simply press it, will pull itself shut. I'll show you here from the back. It's got the nice Z06 style rear spoiler there, the stage 2 with the side winglets done in carbon flash. We've got the carbon flash badge package, the nice LED clear Z06 taillights, and we've got the NPP performance exhaust. So the two outer ports have dampers on them that open and close electronically based on your setting to make the exhaust louder or quieter. So I'll just move around this side here. I'll let you have a look at the rear wheel. It's got the nice chrome rims on it. We've got Michelin tires, black calipers. Looks good. The vent up top is done in carbon flash as well. And then we've got the Z07 style long skirts there done in carbon flash. Here's the door panel on the passenger side. It's got the Twilight Blue against the ebony leather interior. With the 3LZ, you get the nicer Nappa leather. It's got the 10-speaker Bose stereo. We've got power windows, power locks, and electronic door release. For the mats, you've got the nice Z06 embroidery. And then the power seat, you've got power forward, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. I'll also show you the kit plate here so you can see the condition. Looks good. There's a little bit of minor scuffing along this edge here, some little fine scratches. They're hard for me to see, but they are there if you look at the right angle with the right light. So I'll go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. And I'll just show you there is a little scuff here on the seat. It's very, here I'll zoom so you can see. So right there, otherwise the bolster looks pretty good. Just a little rub mark there. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy. We'll check the glove box here. So we've got the books, they're still sealed in the bag, that's great. We've got heated and cooled seat for the passenger temperature control and display. It's got the blue stitch up and upper and lower there. Have a look at the condition of the dash. Dash looks good. Part of the 3LZ is you get the Alcantara finish along the A-pillars here, so that's really nice. That goes up and above the glass roof here. So just up here along the visors and in the center portion here as well. So that looks great. So now we'll just hop out and close this side up. And I'll just step to the back corner of the vehicle and we'll move along this side of the car so you can see the condition. And here we are at the front. So at the front you've got the Z06 Supercharged badging there with the nice carbon flash vent. Here's your front wheel. So again, nice chrome wheels. We got the black painted calipers and Michelin tires. Under the hood, we've got the V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 650 horsepower supercharged. That's paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. And as you can see, everything is tidy under here as it should be. In the corner here, we have our dry-sump oil system, which is a part of the Z06, as well as the wire going to the strut tower brace there for the electronic mag ride suspension. So you can actually adjust the firmness of the ride electronically based on your settings. We've got the Z06 embossed Corvette hood liner there, so that looks great. And I'll go ahead and close the hood and we'll just move around to the front so you can see from this side. So on the front, we've got the black housing projector HID headlights. It's got LED daytime running lights and LED turn signals. We've got the front curb view camera, so there's one there and just one over here on this side. It's got the carbon flash metallic front lip spoiler. So I'll just move along there so you can see what it looks like. It's in good shape as we can see. And on the hood vent, you've got carbon flash metallic as well. In terms of issues, there's some small stone chips. There's a few right here that I can see. Actually, this looks to be 3M. Let me just double check that. No, not 3M. So those are just small, tiny stone chips that have been touched up. So it's a pretty good touch-up job. Of course, you're gonna get them going down the road. There's one right here on the front. And outside of that, it looks great. So we'll continue on. We'll move around this side. Here's your other front wheel. So again, nice chrome wheels. We've got the black calipers, Michelin tires, and same thing back here. Fantastic. So we'll move up to the driver's side doors. So we've got our power windows, we've got our power locks, we've got 2 user programmable memory, a programmable exit button, electronic door release, and again, that nice Twilight Blue stitch and Twilight Blue armrest. Looks good. Here's the kick plate on the driver's side. So a little bit of minor scuffing, which is expected. You can see along here, there's scuff marks going along. You're gonna get that from getting in and out, but overall it looks okay. And we've got our power seat, power 4, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar and side bolster adjustment. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. So as you can see here on the bolster, there's a little bit of rub mark, not a lot. Here, let me zoom so you can see better. So not a lot, but just I see, you know, where is it, a little scuff mark there and a little mark right there. And this seems to just be graining. It looks funnier on the camera than it does in person, but I'll just continue scanning so you can see. Looks good. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean, and we'll get in, we'll fire this one up. There we go. All right, so in terms of kilometers, we have 9,838, so nice and low. No warning lights or issues there on the dash. Over on this side, we've got our cruise control buttons. We've got our favorites or track change down below. We've got the little carbon fiber insert here with the Z06 badge, volume controls for the radio, and our arrow keys. The arrow keys work the dash. That gives us control of info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and options. You got telephone hang up, telephone answer, and voice command. Paddle shifters plus and minus on this side. I'll just turn off the headlights for a moment and I'll show you here. You've got heads-up display on the dash. So there's the image there. I'll just turn up the brightness so you can see. So there's the image there, and we can actually change what image we want displayed. So super neat, and you can move the position. So that's great. Those are the buttons there that I was controlling that with. Beside that, we've got mirrors. Up top, we've got our dimmer switch for the dash. And then down here, we've got power tilt and telescopic steering column. We've got trunk release and a motion alarm on and off. Push button start on this side, and then our screens. So you got audio, which is AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming, USB auxiliary line in. You've got telephone controls. We've got projection, which is Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. We've got navigation, so there's your full factory nav. We've got PDR, so this is the performance data recorder. So there's actually a camera just in front of the rear view mirror there that you can use to record yourself while you're driving to an SD card. So that's neat. And then if we put it in reverse, we've got a backup camera. If we put it in drive, we've got our front curb view cameras. And then down below here, we've got our dual zone. So this is the driver's temp here. You can see it changing. And again, the passenger control with display is just over there. So that's great. And then heated and cooled seat for the driver. Secondary controls for the passenger. Our placard Z06, 650 horse, 650 foot-pounds of torque. There's your 8-speed automatic shifter, leather wrap boot with the nice Twilight Blue baseball stitch. Here's our emergency brake. I see there's one little indentation here and a little skip there. See if I can show you better. There you are. So, and then this knob is our mode selector. So right now it's in touring. If I twist it, we get sport. We get track. Oh, I moved it too fast there. So I'll go back. So we got track, and then we'll go forward again. We get weather, eco, and back to touring. So that's your mode selector. And then inside here, we've got 2 USB ports, an auxiliary line in, and a 12-volt socket. Frameless auto dimming rear view mirror with OnStar. And now we'll just hop out with the running. We'll have a look and a listen. Great sound to it. Love the Z06. So I'll just show you, show you the headlights here. I'm just going to turn them back on. There we go. Here it is from the front. Nice bright headlights. And we'll move along this side so you can see the condition. And it does have the glass roof, which gives it a great look, the blue and the black. have it, folks. 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 3LZ Laguna Blue on Twilight Blue Interior, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.